Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen. Today I'll be making some instant noodles, and I promise you, after making your noodles with my recipe, you would never eat your noodles basic again. I'm having this for my breakfast today, but noodles are like a very good recipe for lunch or even dinner. If this is your first time watching my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell to always be the first to be notified anytime I post a new video. Here are all the ingredients I'll be using, but you could always freestyle with whatever you have. There are 1,000,001 ways you could spice it up, but for today I'll be using some green peas, some sliced hot dogs, chopped onions, diced carrots, grounded chili pepper, some boiled and peeled eggs, a pack of instant noodles, and a little cooking oil. First step, I'll pour just a little water into the pot, about half a cup, and then add the noodles. I would also add the noodle seasoning sachets, but won't add the spicy part just yet. Then I would cook until the water dries. The noodles should still not be completely cooked at this point to give room for the extra cooking we will do later. After it dries, I will take it off the cooker and then put on another pan and heat up some cooking oil and start by frying the sliced hot dogs for just a few minutes. Then I will add in the sliced onions and then the carrots, green peas, the grounded chili, and then the spicy part of the noodle seasoning and saute for a few minutes. I want to retain the default taste of the noodles, so I don't want to add anything that has a very strong taste on its own and could potentially change the entire taste of the noodles. And now I would go in with the pre-cooked noodles and mix everything well. Finally, I would add the peeled eggs and mix it again so that the taste of the mix gets on the eggs. And that's how you make these indomitable noodles right here. Everyone that has ever had my noodles really enjoyed it because of how nutritional it is with all the healthy vegetables I add to it. That's it for today's cooking, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and also share with your friends too. Thanks a lot for watching, and catch ya in my next video. Bye guys.